In the previous question, we see dividend 14 rupees you will get. Second, growth rate of shares 8 to 9%, and the value of the share after 3 years 360. So now the question is, maximum price Mr. B will be paying for the share if he is of the opinion that 9% growth rate can be maintained indefinitely and required 13% rate of return per annum. So the growth will be 9%, but and the required rate of return is per annum 13%. What is the answer now? Now you see the same thing. So we have got we per first year dividend is how much? 15 rupees. So what is the constant rate of change? 13%. Constant is indefinitely is 13%, 9%, and the rate of return to be maintained, rate of return is 13%. So what you go is simple. So for first year dividend 1 divided by what is the highest value? 13. What is the lowest value? 9. Divided by 100 divided by 100. What is the dividend? Dividend is what expected. So dividend I going to get in what is the rate? We have already computed 9% dividend. So 15 divided by 1.0109, 1.09 if you put, okay. I got it. So 15, it is a dividend I get 1.09. It is a dividend minus 13 divided by 100. 1 plus 13 divided by 100 minus, no, sorry, I was correct. 13 divided by 100 minus 9 divided by 100. Why 13 is the indefinite, 9 is an indefinite. I need required rate of return is 13%. Now you put the costing. So 15 divided by 1.09 divided by 0.13 minus 0.19 is equal to 15. What 15? So here, not sorry, I am not calculating what is the expected value of return. I am saying the growth rate. Okay, that's true. So 14. Sorry, confused it completely. I am saying that 14 is the rate. What will be expected in the growth as per 1.09? I will get 15.26. That is the same thing here. So 15.26 divided by 0.04, you get to 381.50. What do you say? So I will explain it correctly. I'm sorry for the disturbances. So the dividend what I will get in the first year, you want to see. So what is the first year? Now dividend I am now getting 14. The growth is 9%. So what I expected to get in day one? So 14 into 1.09. What will the answer get? 15.26. Super. First point baka. Second, what are we going to do? We having there is an expected return, that is we having two things here. Growth rate is how much? 9%. Okay, then rate of return how much? 13%. So 13% minus 9%, 4%. This is the 4% that is going constant. So if I want to pay now for the share, what I do? So 15.26 divided by 4% if we put. So 4% is a thing I want to pay more. Yeah. So what is the value now? 15.26 divided by 220. 381.50. This is the value. Understand?